everybody can see at the back, guys. Just the last 20 seconds, guys, please. Thank you.
Oh no, the thing's gonna go wrong.
Okay, guys, take the blade. The blade's going round. I'm not faking it, guys. What's the blade? What's the blade, guys? Did you see that? It could be my bone. Get ready, folks. Get ready to clap, people. Balconies. Get ready. Risking my life. Oh, come on. This is it. Next triple. Under my leg. My back. Oh. This time, folks, behind my back. Third time lucky. Now you know it's dangerous, guys. If I get it right, everybody go absolutely crazy. Behind my back with a full speed chainsaw. This time.
Have you read it?
And the last one. And I didn't kill any of the tourists. Well, one last thing before you go. I just want to say, I can't quite believe it. Somebody over there is walking away without even saying thank you. Sir, in the pink, where are you going, sir? 1 second, sir. 1 second. Sir, don't move! But one last thing, I was actually stopped from doing the show not long ago. They said it wasn't acceptable for somebody to do this in public, but I fought 2 minutes of this, and here we are enjoying it. I want to say thanks to everybody for supporting me over the years with the show. Thanks for supporting today. And if you haven't enjoyed it, come forward. I'll thank you personally. It's been a bloody brilliant audience. Thank you very much. Thank you.